Today we are going to be looking at the concept of different themes in common pieces of literature. Here you can see a concept map that gives the definition of theme, which is the central idea or takeaway from a piece of writing. From there, we are going to look at some common themes in well-known stories. The three that I chose were imagination, sacrifice, and friendship. One book that we can identify the theme as imagination is Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. I know we've all read that, or most of us have read that and are familiar with the piece of literature. And we know that the main theme or central idea or takeaway from this piece of writing is imagination, the use of imagination, and the imagination that we can use as readers, and the imagination and creativity the writer used as well. An example of sacrifice would be the giving tree, because the tree just kept on giving and sacrificing himself and his needs and his wants for the little boy who he loved greatly. I know most of us are also familiar with this book, so we can recognize the theme of that and know it is sacrifice. Another theme that we commonly see in readings and pieces of work is friendship, and one very common example is Charlotte's Web. We see the friendship based on that this book is based on, and we can recognize this theme and see it in many books, but this being one that we are very familiar with.